If you're an electrician or serious DIYer, you already know how critical a multimeter is to your daily workflow. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the best multimeters available on Amazon that combine precision, durability, and safety features essential for field use. Let's begin with the FLUKE 117 TRUE-RMS Electrician's Multimeter, widely regarded as the gold standard for professionals. Built specifically for electricians, it offers true RMS accuracy, which means it provides reliable readings even when measuring nonlinear loads, something crucial when working in commercial or industrial settings. One of the standout features is its built-in Volt Alert, a non-contact voltage detection system that speeds up the process of identifying live wires. Additionally, the FLUKE 117 includes AutoVolt automatic AC/DC voltage selection and a low impedance mode that prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage. The min-max average function is ideal for monitoring signal fluctuations, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to handle during long jobs. If precision, safety, and reliability matter to you, the FLUKE 117 is a worthy investment. Next is the FLUKE 15B Plus Digital Multimeter, a slightly more budget-friendly option from the same trusted brand. While it lacks some of the advanced features of the 117, such as non-contact voltage detection and auto-ranging, it still offers solid performance with accurate readings across AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. It's rated for 1000 volts AC/DC, making it suitable for a wide range of professional applications. Its build quality is rugged and reliable, and it's a great pick for electricians who want the durability and accuracy of a FLUKE meter without the premium price tag. It may not have all the bells and whistles, but it nails the basics with FLUKE's renowned precision. Moving on, the KLEIN Tools MM450 TRMS multimeter brings impressive versatility in a slim, compact package. This model is auto-ranging, which means it automatically selects the correct measurement range, saving time and reducing user error. It features TRUE-RMS capability for accurate readings on irregular signals and a high-contrast reverse display that adjusts brightness based on ambient lighting. The MM450 also includes measurement modes for temperature, frequency, duty cycle, and diode testing, making it a very well-rounded tool for both residential and commercial work. The added lead alert feature improves safety by warning users if the test leads are connected improperly, and its CAT3600 volt rating ensures it's suitable for most electrical environments. For electricians who want a modern multimeter with all the right features, the MM450 is a smart, efficient choice. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice basic functionality, the ASTROAI AM33D TRUE-RMS multimeter is worth considering. It may not have the brand recognition of FLUKE or KLEIN, but this tool offers surprising performance for its price point. It includes standard measurement functions like AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, and diode testing. While it doesn't feature auto-ranging or high-end safety certifications, it's an ideal backup tool or a good first multimeter for apprentice electricians and hobbyists. It also includes a backlit LCD display, data hold function, and overload protection. Essential elements for everyday troubleshooting. The ASTROAI is not built for high-demand industrial environments, but for basic use it performs reliably. Lastly, the KLEIN Tools MM325 manual range multimeter rounds out our list with a simple, rugged tool for electricians who prefer full control over measurement settings. This meter requires the user to manually select the correct range, which can be beneficial for experienced technicians who know what they're testing. It measures voltage up to 600 volts AC or DC, current, resistance, diodes, and continuity. With a sturdy design and easy-to-read display, the MM325 is dependable and straightforward. It's also compact enough to fit comfortably in a tool pouch and robust enough to survive tough job site conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more expert tool reviews, product comparisons, and professional recommendations tailored to tradespeople and serious DIYers.